Alright, working the wiring here on this black chair, so... Alright, so this was the left one. This is the right one. So this is the orange dot, this one's the blue dot. And let's see, I marked the orange wire. Yeah. It's a two-handed operation, I can see already. So, come on, get over here. Fighting me. Crank that sucker down. Okay. Alright. So, orange one. Which way did that go in? In this direction. All right. Okay, so there is the wiring of this thing. So we got the orange dot, the orange wire is where my black is. So then we have white behind it. There's a gray. And then we got a brown in the center. Upper. Looks like there's a black one underneath that. And what's in the back? So there's a red one bottom center. And you have a blank hole. Another black one. Oop. And then a green one in the back corner. So two blacks, one black. There's two black wires here, right there. There's two black wires. Stupid light though. Okay, so there's two black wires right there. And one of them is this one that goes out here. Which I'm not sure what that connected to up there, but something. Oh yeah. Oh, this is under the dash. Okay. Alright, so. There's a bunch of crap under here. Disconnect something. Get that disconnected. I'm guessing that's this one here. Is that the one that had all the... Yeah, that's it. It's the one that had to pull apart plastic. It goes to this wire, which goes to... who knows what. It goes in this twisted mesh plug here. Whatever the hell that... terminal in the box, there's nothing underneath it, I don't know what that goes to. It goes to that. This is the other one, wire that's not connected. It's going to something else, so I don't know, maybe they're turn signal running lights, I don't know. Who knows? I didn't check to see if any of this stuff worked in the front here. So, alright, well there's two of these wires that go into there. This goes in who knows what, plugs up on here, this harness here, I'm guessing. Big rat nest. I don't know if that's stock or not. This stuff I don't think is. This looks like it's all been added, but who knows? And who knows what the hell happened. Okay, so here's your location for your handlebar plugs. Right there. So, red and orange. Or I mean, orange, yeah, whatever. Orange and blue. I'm tired. Alright, either way, that's how that goes. I have no idea what those wires are going to. But that's how they came out. So, don't know what those two black ones are going to. Obviously one goes to here. Okay, that was the right side. Now the left side is the blue side. And that was the orange wire again over there. This one in there like that. Alright, another two-handed job. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, back to the watering. Okay. There's the one I broke, the green one. Okay, let's see, this goes. Dumbass, wrong direction. Let's try the correct way this time. Oh, that works a lot better when you do it the right way. What a shocker. If you do it correctly, it fits better. Okay, let's see what we got going on this time. No secondary wires this time, but we have a broken one. Okay, once again, the orange is right next to your blue dot. Then we have white and yellow across the top. Down the side, we got the orange in one corner, nothing in the middle, and or not, yeah, on that side, and then the purple one on the bottom corner. And you skip across the other way. There's a green wire in the dead center, and on the middle, there's white on the top row, in the center. Then we got a yellow on the bottom on the far corner, opposite from the orange. And there's a black and a blue, it looks like, coming down the side. And nothing in the center, bottom. Alright, so the big problem is the green wire is broken right now. It's the one the terminal would not come out, and I ripped it out. So, anyway, so that's those wires. So you got purple, orange, white, yellow, black, blue, with green in the middle. There you go. I think I'm gonna get these all out of here. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, now whatever. It's gonna be interesting, obviously. So what do we got here? Orange side. And the blue side. Alright, let's get these apart, figure out what happens. Try to change out these bars. They definitely need it. Okay. Look like these are right and left. I think should be a good start, right? This is right. This one here is left. Okay. Figured they don't come out of this either. I hate these stupid terminals. First time I had to deal with these, I don't like them. Nothing is easy. Okay, that ain't gonna work. So even to get the rubber booty off, you gotta have the tool. Stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Alright, what to do with my tool? I don't know what I did with my tool. Tool. The one I keep breaking. Alright, so what are you looking at over there? Nothing. So to get this out, you have to put the tool over the little fingers that are sticking out, the ones that are binding up and everything. Go over it, then press the darn thing through there. Pull it out. Yep, gotta go all the way through. Push it 100% through to get it out. And your tool will want to come out. And the ball keeps breaking off. Yep, that's because the pin pulled out. Get some better Gorilla snout holding that together. All that for one. Wonderful. Deutsch, you just pop the thing on and boom, 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 they're out of there. So much easier. And every time the ball is going to come off. Stupid thing. Oh, these are stupid. I'll try something different. Let's leave the ball part out. We'll just work with a tube. Push with a stupid tube. It works a little easier. It's hard to make it come out, but it's easier to, dealing with 3 parts breaking. Wonderful. That one, the whole darn booty is disintegrating. Piece of crap. There we go. Maybe. It's hard on your fingers too. Where my rags at? No rags around here. Ugh. Stupid design. Just 100% stupid. Ah. Pull that damn thing out here. The hell? Stupid tube. Trying to get the damn thing out. Tube won't come out now. Alright, pain in the ass. Go back the regular way. You're screwed no matter which way you do it. It took an hour and a half to get them out of the damn plugs. Yep, that didn't work. Back to this, no. Come on. I'm in a hurry with this job. Success. That broke that again. One piece of crap apart. Alright, next. Go to the other side, play with it. Oh, that was right here. Okay. Now that we're experienced, it's going to go so much easier now, right? Hold your breath. Day of this all day, your fingers are going to be bloody. technique down a little bit. Garbage. All right, great. 20 minutes later, yeah, at least probably 10. All right, we got the handlebars semi apart. Don't lose these. Now I gotta try to get these bars apart. I think this is where they did their extension here, which means it probably will not come apart. And I use a whole bunch of these, but I don't have these. Try to use this whole thing as it is. It'd be a miracle if this thing comes apart. Let's see, I think the easiest way to do this is hold these somehow. Except I already took them off the bike. So there's no easy way of holding these. Except to swear at them. Yeah. There. That's how you do it. Mount the damn things. Be back.